Hi class, this video is to show you how to use Google Site to build your signature Chinese portfolio. You can bring this with you as a showcase or bring this to your universities. So what you do is once you type in sites.google.com and go to a blank site right here, click on it, and then you will come to this page. Give your site a name, whatever name. You can say your name Chinese site, okay? And you can enter here or you would directly copy it here, and then you can write whatever name you want to have here. And then highly recommend you upload an image. You can either upload an image you already have, or you can select one. There are quite a few options. You can use the photo you have or whatever in Google Drive or server Google image, just type in whatever you want to have, or if you have URL, you can put it in here. And you can also use Canva to make your header. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to make pages. What I expect you to do is that you're going to go to page. Right now, you only have home. So if you want to have sub page under home, click on these three dots, and then you can say sub page. So I would like you to think about the structure that you want to have. You can either put stuff under home or just make new pages. If you want to make new pages almost the same level as home, click on the plus sign. You will see you can either add a link, full page embed, or a new menu. So I just want to have a new page. You click on this, and then you can say, for instance, if you're Chinese 1 right now, you can say Chinese 1, and we'll have Chinese 1. And similarly, you can say Chinese 2. So for each year that you with 毕森老师, you can just keep writing it and you can adjust the order like this. Okay. And if you want to add anything within the Chinese one, so you're right now you're Chinese 1, and then you click the three dot, you can add sub page. You can say, this is my daily writing, and you can have a sub page three dots. So this is your mother page, and then you're gonna have children. So you keep adding sub page. You can write my project, and you can add my video. So really depends on how you want to organize it. You can design your website your way. And I would also like you to have a page just for your classmates, because we are going to have special person interview. As you know your classmates more, you're going to add them on this page. And each classmate, this is what I want you to have. You go to insert, and then you can choose here. I would like to have the first card because you eventually can take picture of them and write a little bit about them here. Or if you want to, you can have this format. You can have their picture on the top and then write about them underneath. So I would just choose this one for now. And then you can say, my friend one. And as you have a special interview about another friend, you can add another card, and student two. So as we add on to this, you're going to have one slot for each student in our class. Eventually, you're going to fill in. So you will always go back to my classmates and then add more of your student as we go on. So after you graduate from Chinese 1 class, you go to Chinese 2, you're going to add more projects. So how does it look like for on the top? So this will be your site name and your home. Of course, you can add subpage under your home. And Chinese 1, these are all things happening in Chinese 1, all things happen Chinese 2. So eventually when you go to AP or IB or just Chinese for honors, you have a website with everything that you learned all through the years as your showcase. So quickly take a look. This is a sample site that I have made. And when you go to pages, you can see that they're like this. You can feel free to drag and drop and change the order. and on the top it look like this. And if you have sub pages, you click on the down arrow, you're going to see the option, and your sub page can have sub page too. So you click on it, will go back. And as time goes on, you can have all the things recorded here. It will be a wonderful, wonderful showcase for anywhere you go, whoever sees your site. And I would like you to have bilingual site, so people who does not speak Chinese, they will know what this is. So what I mean is, for instance, if you start writing journal, and this is what I just made an example. So these are all your Chinese journal. You wrote it, and then feel free to have a translation. So you're saying, oh, this is Chinese date format, and you need to have uh, the day of the week and how is the weather to record. So you can come back. So, oh, that day was raining. So you say, today is second day of school. So you wrote it, you translated it just for the people who in the future reading your site know what's happening. And feel free to add pictures. Always go to insert. You can either add an image or embed any code, or just simply write a text and or upload anything from your drive. And there are a lot of options here. Feel free to add if you feel like to play around, and you'll be expert in this. Let 毕森老师 know if you have any questions，好吗？谢谢。